This is Wesley. Billion dollar version. Let's go. So I got another video here. And yes, I'm back in Florida here in Miami. And I'm going to show you in this video, basically how to make $200 per day, okay? Uploading free images, okay? Just basically uploading images, they pay you money, okay? For free, okay? Just uploading images for free. First thing you need to do is you need to go to Google.com, okay? Go to Google.com. Now, let me ask you guys a question. Do you like dogs or cats? All right? Are you a dog lover or a cat lover? Okay? Let's type in dogs. Because remember, on this site that I'm getting ready to show you, when you upload these images, they pay you per view. So every time someone just views the image, they don't have to download it. When they view it, you get paid money, okay? And I know it sounds crazy. I know some of you are skeptical, but listen, if you're skeptical, you're always going to be broke. You're always going to be the person that's left behind. Open your mind, big head. People are making money on the internet, and I'm trying to show you how. Smash the like button if you're ready to move now. Okay, you go to images like this. Now understand this. What you need to do, look at those pretty dogs. Oh my God. Oh, look at those cutie dogs. Oh my God. Maybe I should buy me a dog. I'm not sure. Okay, listen. So what you want to do is you want to basically download these images here. Okay, listen close, please. I'm showing you how to make money. Now listen, you're not going to be rich, but you will. You can make up to about 200 to 300 bucks a day. I know somebody that's doing it right now. So that's the reason why. But the disclaimer is if you don't work it, if you don't actually put in the work based off of what I'm showing you in this video, then it's not going to work for you. Okay. So you want to download these images here, but you need to do this first. This is very important. Please pay attention. You need to go to tools. Okay. Is everybody with me? Usage rights, because you cannot copy a photo. Okay. You cannot copy a photo that is copyrighted. So you go to user rights. So you go to commercial and other licenses. Okay. Is everybody with me? Smash the like button if you're with me right now. I want to make sure I talk slow and you understand everything that you're watching this video. It's not costing you any money, so give me a like for that because it's free. Okay, I know people that charge money for this. Check it out. So you just download about 10 images. Okay, is everybody with me? And the great thing about this is worldwide. Smash the like button. Let's go! Worldwide, baby. I'm talking about Africa, Ghana, India. Doesn't matter. Your country can do this, okay? So what you do is you just copy about 10 to 20 images, right? Is everybody with me? Make sure you have commercial and other license checked. Okay, that's important there. Then the site that you want to go to is click a snap. Okay, click a snap.com. So everybody with me here? I need everybody to type that in their browser right now. Listen, stop looking at my amazing view right now. I work for this. Basically doing things like this. Okay, I have 10 to 15 companies online. These are automatic streams of revenue, and I'm gonna show you how to put this on autopilot if you just watch the video. Stay with me, okay? I know some of you are eager right now. I know some of you have a huge, big old Kool-Aid smile on your face right now. Listen. Focus and watch what I'm doing here. Go to clickasnap.com. This is the world's largest free to use paid per view platform, image sharing platform on the planet right now. Okay. And I just gave it to you for free. So give me a like button right now. Let's go. Okay. So you sign up for free. It's free to sign up. This is how it works. Okay. They're going to pay you, listen, 15 cents per view. That means when you upload the images, listen please, when you upload the images, they're going to pay you every time someone view your image, they're going to pay you 15 cents. The minimum payout is $15. They have PayPal and other ways of getting the money. It's very simple, very easy. Newbies, beginners, if you're old, young, if you're not a technical person, anybody can do this, okay? I'm just showing you how to do it. You sign up for an account. And like I said before, you go to Google.com, you get some images. Now, this is the trick here. Okay, this is the trick to get more views faster, okay? Go ahead and smash that like button if I'm giving you massive value right now. Go to Marketplace, all right? This is the trick here. I'm going to give it to you for free because I love you, okay? You see where it says featured categories? Well, this is where you want to get all your images uploaded into these featured categories, okay? Why? Because they're featured, okay? Featured means these are popular. So that means you go to Google, you get about 10 to 20 animals, 10 to 20 coastal landscapes, nature, street photography, right? It's all on Google Images for free. And you upload it. Why? Because now your actual account is going to be more attractive and you're going to be in all these different categories. So as people view the image, it's an opportunity for you to get paid. Does that make sense? It's clickasnap.com. They pay you once you get up to 15 bucks. They're going to pay you out constantly. You can make a lot of money. In this particular video, up to 200 bucks per day doing this. And listen, if you don't work it, it won't work, which means don't be lazy, okay? You can do this yourself. It does take some work ethic, but think about this. Get in your media room, okay? Right? Look at your beautiful view. Maybe you don't have a view like this yet, but you will, okay? You will one day, and just start the process. You know, I can't stand when people say, oh, that doesn't work. It does work, stupid. This company has been around for years. Obviously, it worked, but you have to work it. You got to have work ethic. Comment that below. You must have work ethic. If you want to be rich, you want to be successful, you have to work your butt off. I do, and I'm rich. Okay? Look at this. Show you one of my accounts. You see that? Let me do a refresh. Let's see how much money. Look at this. It's Monday, August 31st, and I'm not trying to brag and boast. I just want you to know who you're dealing with. It's 8/31, $2,000 so far today. $3,000 was yesterday. $3,000. Look at the date here. It's Monday, August 31st. I'm showing you that is real. Look at that's $1.2 million. Come on, folks. People are making money in their underwear, okay? I have so much money. It's crazy, right? All from the internet. The job is not going to make you rich. Right? Your 9-to-5 grind is not going to make you rich. Working at Walmart, working at freaking Burger King, working as a waiter or waitress, you're not going to get rich. You have to consume knowledge, okay? And what I'm going to do as a bonus under this video here, okay? Under this video, right here on my YouTube channel, once you subscribe because you want more videos, turn on your notifications, and go ahead and smash the like button. I'm going to leave a video if you want to make $10,000 in 45 to 60 days flat. Now listen, to do that, don't click that link if you're lazy. Like if you're a BS and if you're lazy, do not click that link because it won't work for you. I only want to work with people who are serious about their success for themselves and for their family. I teach people every single day how to do this. I've made several people multimillionaires. I've made thousands of people $10,000 to $20,000 per month. I do this. Search me on Google and you'll see all things about me. I help a ton of people. And I want to share this with you before I let you go and before you smash the like button. You can do this. Okay? You can do this right now. All right? And yes, it takes work. Yes, in the beginning you might not be perfect at it, but if you stay consistent, if you believe in yourself, you see this view right here? This view is waiting for you. Imagine yourself. I know right now a lot of you are in a terrible situation in life, and I get it. I've been there too. I filed bankruptcy before. I lost cars. I lost homes. I lost people in my life. I lost friends, right? I've been in dark places in my life as well. But guess what? The light is at the end of the tunnel. I promise you. I'm nothing great. I'm just a young black kid from Houston, Texas. I grew up in the hood, not the hood, but in the hood. Parents made no more than $20,000 per year. We were pretty much broke. And now I'm here looking at the beach, right? Looking at the beach with my pretty toes. Let's go. So what I want you to do is get to work. Leave the video. Go to clickasnap.com right now. Understand this before I let you go. All millionaires have one thing in common. They all take massive action when they see something that feels right. They take action. I love you guys so much. This is Wesley. Billion. Hold on. Let me turn this camera on. I gotta look at you while I do this. Hello. Alright, folks, this is Wesley. $1 billion dollar version. Let's go! Later, folks.